So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit videos online like Premiere Pro without using any software or signing in on any website. Now in order to do it, you just need a browser, and for example if I open the Google Chrome browser, now here I have to just simply search in the search bar, type Flex Clip. Once you type it, just simply hit enter and open the first website that appear right in front of you. Once you open it here, all you need to do, either you can start by a template. So if you are a beginner, it will be very helpful for you. Or if you are a professional editor, just simply hit start from scratch. And here you're gonna see editor will open right in front of you, where it looks like exact interfaces of some premium editing softwares. You have the timeline here, the media imports, the video imports, and even you can generate from there the templates as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.